You never want things sliding around in the back of your truck bed. A DeeZee truck bed mat will keep your cargo from shifting around. Protecting your truck bed is important, and it can be the most abused part of the truck. Moving things in and out, sliding and loading tools and storage chests around can scratch or dent the bottom of the truck bed. DeeZee heavyweight bed mats are 3/8 of an inch thick and will help protect your bed from wear. The mat is highly compressed rubber and non-record fibers to withstand tears and abrasions, which is important if you are hauling lumber or gravel. This also makes it great for transporting motorized work equipment or ATVs because the tightly compressed fibers can handle gas or oil spills. And with such a resilient material, the bed mat won't crack or break in extreme heat or cold. The texture on the truck bed mat provides better grip when transporting coolers, toolboxes, or the DeeZee polyplastic storage chest. When in motion, the last thing you want is your cargo sliding around in the back, possibly breaking something or damaging your truck bed. Even with a spray-in bed liner, a DeeZee bed mat is a must-have accessory to keep your gear safely in place. The bottom of the bed mat has rubber cleats, raising the mat off the surface of the truck to allow water to drain right out from underneath. Each of the DeeZee truck bed mats are a custom fit for each truck application and contour around the wheel wells. If you're interested in purchasing the DeeZee truck bed mat, check out the store locator in the description below or on screen. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.